the press releases, the project management, and internal health insurance claims. Those are all items that can be very intensive in terms of the workflow, very intensive in terms of the paperwork and the sign-offs and things like that, and can have an impact across the entire company. I mean, I would imagine that at a company like Walmart, the internal health insurance claims is quite a significant number on a yearly basis. So the fact that they're able to do that and effectively build their own tool, I think, is a really positive sign for Walmart. They're obviously embracing Gen AI tools, and they have some pretty good use cases. And they say that they're working on other use cases that they'll be deploying in the near future. So I look forward to seeing more from Walmart out of that. The last story that caught my eye this week was a press release that was put out on Yahoo News by a company called Guidewheel. And this is a company that is a factory operations platform. I had personally never heard of this company, but apparently they are a big presence when it comes to factory operations software. So what they've done now is they've incorporated AI to help them predict the maintenance needs and failures within their software. So in other words, they're using their existing software, where people are, already putting in things like equipment and use hours and maintenance records and things along those lines. And they're using all that data to be able to say, hey, this machine might fail in the next month. You should start preparing for that. Or, or maybe, it can also give you like a predictive maintenance schedule to say, we know that machines that have been maintained in this way tend to fail, so why don't you maintain it in this other way where we know that the probability of failure is less? So I think that those are really interesting, really valid examples of machine learning and AI being used in what's already a unique piece of software.